what we're about. We are about community. We have an outreach ministry where we go out every 3 months and pass out clothes and food to the less fortunate. I'm going to say that. I'm not going to say homeless. I'm not going to use any type of derogatory terms, but less fortunate, because any of us can be in that same position at the end of this day. It doesn't take long to get there. There are no certain type of people that are there. It's just our brothers and sisters. So that's what we reach out to. We go into a different city each time. We've been working with the mayor. We're trying to get something set up for Stockbridge to care for our people here, because I firmly believe in taking care of your own in order to feel good about taking care of somebody else. So we have a prison ministry where we go into the prisons, and at the holidays, especially Christmas, we'll adopt children from the prison because their parents are incarcerated. And so we'll get Christmas gifts, or if it's Thanksgiving, we'll do Thanksgiving baskets for them, whatever they need. We'll adopt 5 families from the system and serve them. Not only the family, but their caregivers as well, because if the parents are locked up, somebody's on the outside having to care for them, and that's a big deal right there in itself. So we service that. The ex-offenders, we service them for when they come out of prison. They need housing, they need a job, they need somebody to trust them after they've come out of the system. So we work with ex-offenders, getting them back into the workforce, get them back into society as a whole. So that's what we're all about here at New Hope and Restoration.